In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ClickFunnels to practice better. We'll use Zapier to build a simple automation that moves information from ClickFunnels into practice better, so you don't have to copy and paste client details manually. By the end, you'll have a clear path to linking these tools in a secure, reliable way. First, head over to Zapier. This is the platform that lets different apps talk to each other. If you're new to it, think of Zapier as the go-between that listens for something to happen in one app and then performs a task in another. Once you're on the site, log in to your Zapier account. If you already use Zapier at work, make sure you're using the account with the right permissions for both ClickFunnels and Practice Better. Next, search for ClickFunnels and Practice Better as the two apps you want to connect. In Zapier, you'll be setting a trigger and an action. The trigger is what starts the workflow, and the action is what Zapier does in response. You'll start by choosing ClickFunnels as your trigger app. Set up your trigger by selecting a ClickFunnels event like Contact Submitted Form or One-Time Order Paid. Contact Submitted Form is great if you want every form submission to become a new client in Practice Better. One-Time Order Paid is ideal if you only want paying customers to flow through. Choose the event that matches your goal and funnel setup so you're only capturing the right people. Zapier will then prompt you to authenticate your ClickFunnels account. Follow the on-screen steps to securely grant access. Use your standard login method and approve only what's needed. You won't paste any sensitive keys here. Zapier handles the connection through a secure authorization flow. Now, choose your action. Select Practice Better as the action app and pick Add Client. This tells Zapier to create a new client profile in Practice Better whenever your chosen ClickFunnels event fires. At this stage, you'll map fields from ClickFunnels to Practice Better, things like first name, last name, and email. Keep an eye on required fields in Practice Better so the action can run smoothly, and match each field to the ClickFunnels data that makes the most sense. Finally, authenticate Practice Better inside Zapier to allow data transfer. Approve the connection using the secure login prompts. Once connected, your setup will be ready to pass information from ClickFunnels to Practice Better whenever your trigger event occurs. And that's it. You've connected ClickFunnels to Practice Better using Zapier, set your trigger, chosen your action, and securely authenticated both apps.